Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to express the function in the form f of g, where the function is v of t is equal to secant of t squared tangent of t squared. So I think the easiest way to do this, remember this composition f of g is equal to f of g of x, is that if we notice that we have two t squareds here, let's set our inner function, g of t, equal to t squared. Because then we're plugging it back into the function f, resulting in our function. So what is the correct function f of t that results in this composition? Well, wherever we see a g of t, for f of g of t, we replace it with a t, right? Since we're going to f of this to f of this, we're replacing g of t with t. So wherever we see a t squared, we replace it with a t. So this becomes secant of t tangent of t. Because then when we plug in g of t, we get a t squared here and a t squared here. And we come back to the original function v of t. So these are our functions f and g of t, which result in this composition.